Hello guys, today we'll talk about new phone from Meizu company and new phone to the phone markets in 2023. This phone is Meizu 20 Pro. Before begin, don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive all videos. Number 1, the body. The body here come with length 164.2 mm, width 76.4 mm, thickness 7.8 mm, and its weight 209 gram aluminum frame. Number 2, the screen. The screen type here is LTPO OLED. It's better than OLED with size 6.81 inches. Display come with Protect Glass Corning Gorilla Glass and come with refresh rate 120 Hz. Number 3, the processor. The processor here is Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm. This is the best processor in any Android phone, especially this phone. You can play games as PUBG Mobile Smooth 90 FPS or Ultra HD Ultra FPS and play Call of Duty Low Ultra or Very High Max and other games, and the best settings on it. And the speakers here are stereo and very high. Number 4, the camera. There are 3 camera in the back. The first camera here is wide 50 megapixel, come with lens slot 1.9. Second camera here 50 megapixel telephoto, come with lens slot 1.9. The third camera 50 megapixel ultra wide 129 degrees, come with lens slot 2.2. Support ring LED flash HDR panorama. As you take a beautiful photo by this camera, record video 8K 30 frames per second, 4K 30/60 frame per second, or 1080 30/60/120 fps. But the front camera 32 megapixel wide, come with lens slot 2.5, record video 1080 30 frames per second. Number 5, the battery. The battery here is 5000 mAh. Here this battery is very big and its USB is Type-C, and its charger here is 80-watt charge and wireless charge 50-watt. Number 6, to the price. The price of Meizu 20 Pro phone version 12GB RAM/128GB storage $580, and version 12GB RAM/256GB storage $680, and version 12GB RAM/512GB storage $700. Thank you to watch to the end of the video. Don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.